Understanding, Hitting a Snag, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, hitting a snag. This idiom is commonly used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. Hitting a snag means to encounter a sudden and unexpected difficulty or obstacle. This idiom is often used when someone is progressing on a task or project and encounters an unexpected problem that hinders progress. It's like going smoothly down a path and suddenly stumbling on an unseen obstacle. The term snag originally referred to a tree stump or a branch submerged in a waterway, posing a hazard to boats. Over time, the phrase, hitting a snag, evolved to metaphorically represent encountering an unforeseen difficulty in various aspects of life, not just navigating waterways. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, our project was going well, but we hit a snag when the supplier failed to deliver on time. 2. In personal plans, I was planning to travel this summer, but hit a snag when I realized my passport had expired. 3. In problem solving, the scientists were close to a breakthrough but hit a snag in their research data. There are other phrases and idioms with similar meanings. Encountering a hurdle, running into an obstacle, facing a setback. Understanding these synonyms can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the idea in different ways. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, hitting a snag, and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, encountering snags is a normal part of life, and knowing how to talk about these challenges is a key aspect of mastering the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.